ChatGPT is not just a virtual assistant that answers your questions or provides information about various topics. It is a powerful tool that can help you earn money in many ways. With the increasing demand for online work and the need for remote employment opportunities, ChatGPT has emerged as a promising source of income for those who are willing to put in the effort. In this video, we will explore 5 proven ways to earn money using ChatGPT. 1. Content creation. One of the most popular ways to make money with ChatGPT is by creating content for websites or blogs. Many businesses and website owners are always looking for fresh and engaging content to attract more visitors to their sites. By using ChatGPT to research and write articles, you can earn money as a freelance writer. You can also offer your services as a copywriter, proofreader, or editor. 2. Online tutoring. ChatGPT can also be used to teach or tutor students. Many students prefer online tutoring because it is more convenient and flexible than traditional classroom-based learning. By using ChatGPT, you can teach subjects such as English, math, science, or any other subject you are knowledgeable about. You can charge by the hour or by the lesson, and you can work with students from all over the world. 3. Social media management. Another way to earn money using ChatGPT is by managing social media accounts for businesses or individuals. With the growing importance of social media in marketing and promotion, many people need help with managing their accounts. You can use ChatGPT to schedule posts, create content, and engage with followers. You can also analyze data and provide insights to improve social media strategies. 4. Virtual assistants. ChatGPT can also be used to provide virtual assistance to individuals or businesses. You can help with tasks such as scheduling appointments, responding to emails, managing finances, and more. By using ChatGPT, you can save time and increase productivity for your clients. You can work on an hourly basis or offer packages based on the scope of work. 5. Online surveys. Finally, you can use ChatGPT to participate in online surveys and earn money. Many companies and research organizations pay people to take surveys to gather information about their products or services. By using ChatGPT, you can find legitimate survey sites and complete surveys to earn money. While this may not be the most lucrative option, it can be a good way to earn some extra cash in your free time. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can help you earn money in various ways. Whether you are a freelancer, a student, or someone looking for extra income, ChatGPT can provide you with opportunities to make money from home. By exploring these 5 proven ways to earn money using ChatGPT, you can start your journey towards financial freedom today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more such interesting videos.